Hey Marlo, want to introduce you to this client. Want you to help me finish off. There's an overview video and for a company called West Coast Sightseeing, and we're using them as our showcase for our company. So these videos we're going to be tweaking all the time, making better. Not because they're paying us, because there are our client, and we have videos for every one of these things. And basically we developed this video player which allows us to add a play video button, and then it on the mobile it's a different deal. It's got click to call and stuff like that at the end. But basically on the desktop, when the computer's running a little faster, unbelievable, what it does is it pops up and has a player. And what happens is that the way we set up the client is it should play an overview video of the of all the different tours. It's like 15 seconds of each of these, and then when it ends, it says, "Hey, pick one of the tours below which you want to see by clicking on them." And so that's what we're doing for West Coast. And so this is their player, and I'll put a link to that in the Google Doc here. And so what happens is our primary thing is to get the customer. I'm going to put the website right in here. So just to get the tour videos, they have the tour videos that were displayed there, and ITS's video player, put it there, and their website, West Coast. And so therefore, what we're trying to do is, even though the player is nice and sexy and everything, we're so late on this job that we just want to get the individual tour videos to the client so they can load them on their site, and then we'll worry about the overview video and all the rest of the stuff later on. So there's the overview video that we need to polish or whatever. Right now, we're just trying to get this done, and if you notice, if you scroll over here to the right, there's comments by the client. His name's Jason, and there it is. I don't know why this one's in orange, but anyway, as you scroll down, there's the summer video. The link's back over there. There's his change, and that's all you got to do. The winter version, we don't even have to worry about that one right now. Here's this, and then here's the Whistler one. There's his change. He's mainly talking that he needs a summer version, but he's making some other changes there. So you just have to change them. And the video links are right here, the Vimeos. But the point is we're going to try and get you the projects. But I'm having issue getting the projects, and because I'm having an issue, the thing is way late to the point where the client's going to cancel. So push comes to shove, you're just going to download that Vimeo video, make that change, and get it done so the client's not pissed off. And so that's about it. So there's not that many videos that you have to do. We're basically creating this summer one right now. This what is going on here? We're shooting this one right now. That's what I'm shooting on Wednesday. And the problem, and this is the winter. I don't know why it says this. I don't know why that is like that. You don't have to really worry about these ones. I think they're fine. So once they're done, so what you do is if you have any remarks, there's a spot right here. It says Paul and Jason's here, right here, on to the right. So you put your comments right here. If you're not sure of something, the client's not even seeing this. You're writing this to me. So we're all organized. So you go, Marlo, hey, what about this? Look at 23 seconds. So we're really super organized. But so the focus is, so we're clear, is that we've got to do the changes to the tour videos. And I pretty much say that you should just download the fucking things off the. I can't believe it. Yeah, just download them off of Vimeo. And listen, I got so many projects on my thing. I am gonna get these project files. So what you have to make a note somewhere that a month from now when I get the project files, I need you to go back into the project files and do whatever changes you're doing to these MPEGs that you're downloading. In other words, I'm telling you just to go to whatever, and here it is right here, and you download it, and you get a full res version right there. But there's some generation loss somewhere along the line, and that's what you're going to do to get the files. And all the Vimeo links are in the project. So just so we're clear on a recap, the first thing is to get the tour videos all done, and the first thing that me and you can do is we can work on finalizing the starting titling animation. And what I mean by that is that we got, there's a title at the beginning, and Ever did one here. It's be under the big bus right here. And Ever did one, and I'm not really happy with it because what happens is I wanted the type to come in one line at a time, and he's got it coming in chunks. Like this big white space is kind of shitty, right? And I've got this original file. You should go through the whole thing, and then this type here should come in one line at a time. And but you got to reduce down the logo and everything. But just so you know, in the spreadsheet, the original one is right here, and it's a lot longer. It's about 6 seconds or 10 seconds. And I asked him to cherry pick the best shots out of this. And I don't know if he did the best job picking that out. I mean, no, I don't think that's the best shot. No, it's not the best shot. And we can use this at the end. Let's make a beginning and ending right now. This is the first task. And here's what I would have done. That's kind of nice because you definitely see the name. That's definitely being used. And we're going to make 2 of them so we're clear. One at the beginning, one at the end. So use that. Yeah, just that little segment right there is great. That is kind of good too because again, you see the gray line. So I'd use this for a couple seconds. Stop it there. This is a big dead white space. But I think the editor was just being lazy and he just wanted to grab it right here and then roll. Yeah, that's what he was. So you grab those other segments and you come up with your own intro and you put it right here in the spreadsheet. There it says, Marlon's, I want you to put, and I'm going to mark that in red. So your first job is you make a title and make it for Whistler. And so what you do is you got the website, so you don't have to ask me for all the titles. Where's the guy's website? Right here. And whatever the all the titles and everything are on the website. So you just go to the website right here. You go to guided tours, and there it is. And you got to copy the name exactly. As he's got it. Well, not the plus sign, but. Well, maybe you should. That's the way he went. So that's what you do. And so you don't have to ask me for the titles or whatever like that. And this is green. This green he's using a lot. So if you can match that green, that would be good. So there's the website. Okay, so the first job is do the title. I'll prove that, and then I think he can. I haven't even read his changes over here for the tour videos, but do the lookout next. The summer, pretty much, I think the guy's happy. Just I think he wants to cut one of the testimonials at the end of it, and the winter one you're on hold because I'm basically shooting this right now. So really, that's not that. So just download them off the Vimeo account, and you can just track your hours, and we'll make this happen. But I gotta push this through. Now up here, he's made it some other comments here, and I'll try and go through this weekend because I need to push this out in the next 5 days. So if me and you can work on this and get this all pushed out, it's good. So all good. Thanks. Bye.